Hi guys. Today we will create a program in Python language. In that program, we will simulate a situation in which there will be a user party and the other party will be the computer. And between user and computer, we'll simulate a game situation. And the game name is Pepper, Scissors, and Rock. And to understand this Pepper, Scissors, and Rock, we are going to share the screen. There will be three options for user as well as for computer: pepper, scissors, and stone or rock. User can select from pepper, scissors, and stone, as well as computer can select from pepper, scissors, and stone. If user selects pepper but computer selects stone, in that case, user will win. Why? Because pepper can wrap stone or rock. But if user selects scissors and computer selects pepper, in that case, again, user will win. Why? Because scissors can cut the pepper. And finally, the situation, if user selects stone or rock, but computer selects scissors, in that case, again, the user will win. Why? Because stone can crush the scissors or stone can blunt the scissors. So we will write a program in Python language. This program can simulate this game situation. And for that, we are going to create a new file. And this file type should be Python type file. In this program, we will import the random module and we'll use the functions from this random module. Okay, first of all, we'll prompt the user to enter his or her name, and we are going to create a variable name with as user, and with the help of input method, we are going to prompt the user to enter his or her name, or here we write enter your name. As the user will read this message, user will enter his or her name. Okay. And that name will be assigned to the, let's say the name of variable is name. Instead of user, we are writing the name. Name will be assigned to the name variable. Okay. Then we will create a list. ls is assigned by, and in this list will contain three options: paper, scissors, and the third option is rock. Okay. And computer is supposed to get or select option from this list. For that, we'll create a variable computer, and it is assigned by, we'll use the choice function random dot choice, and we'll provide list over here. So an option will be randomly selected from this list among the options pepper, scissors, and rock, and that option will be assigned to the computer user. And then we'll prompt the user over here with the help of uh, input method, input, then we'll prompt the user, enter your option, enter your option, and option should be among these options, and they are pepper, comma, scissors, and rock. So user is supposed to select an option from these option list, and as soon as user selects some option, that option will be assigned to the user variable, and computer has got the value with the help of random dot choice. Okay, then we'll specify if condition. If user option in ls, or should be from list, users and computers options are the similar. So if user has select the option and that option is among these list options, in that case we'll print with the help of f string, we'll print the message, and we want to highlight this user. In the curly bracket, we'll specify the name of user. User has, okay, we want to close this apostrophe. User has selected, okay, here should be the name of user, and the name of user is stored in the name variable. User has selected, again in the curly bracket, user has selected this, that person has selected that particular option, and we'll or close these. Again, there will be another message for computer, printf, print with the help of f string, or here we'll write computer has selected which option in curly bracket, and computer option is assigned into the computer variable. We'll write this message. Over here we'll see if user is equal to computer. If user option is same as computer's option, then we'll print it's a tie. It's a tie. Okay. But else if user is equal to paper and computer is equal to rock, since paper can wrap the rock, in that case we'll print the message that user wins. So with the help of f string, we'll write the name of user, and it is name win. Else if we can select and copy, and we can paste over here, Control V. Else if user has selected, let's say, rock, that rock can fetch the scissors, but the computer has selected scissors. In that case, again, we'll write user win. Okay. Again, else if user selects, let's say, scissors, and computer selects paper, since scissors can cut the paper, so in that case again user win. So you can see these are the options for computer, rock, scissors, paper, and these are three different options for user, paper, rock, and scissors. But in all other cases, we'll write as print with the help of F string. We'll write the name of user and it is name lose. Okay. Or here at the end of program, if this condition we are going to end of program, we'll close this. Okay. Or here we'll write end of program. Now omit this end of program. Okay, we have to save this program, save as, let's say, paper, raw, scissors, and its type is Python. Let's save it. And we want to run and debug this program. We'll check if there is an error. Python debugger. Enter your name. Let's say we enter the name Ali. Enter your option. Let's say we enter the option paper. In that case, Ali has selected paper, computer has selected scissors, Ali lose, because the paper, the scissors can cut the paper. Okay, so far this program works fine. We are going to make some change in this program that over here we'll write, we want to make a loop over here while true. And we will write this whole thing into body of this loop. At the end of this, we want to specify with the help of input function, input. Do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? Yes or no? Y or N? And we will convert into lowercase so that we will check only one Y or N. Okay, we'll take this, we'll put into the, let's say we are going to create again variable, and we'll assign the choice taken from the user into again, and we'll check over here if again is not true, if again is not equal to y. In that case, if again is not equal to y, means okay. If again not equal to in that case y, if again is equal to n, we'll break out of loop over here. We'll break. In else, in all other cases, this loop should continue. Okay, let's run and debug this program. Enter your name. let's say Ahmed, enter your, let's say we have selected, Ahmed has selected paper. Ahmed has selected paper, computer has selected rock. Ahmed win. Why? Because paper can wrap the rock. Do you want to continue? Let's say yes. Enter your name. See? Enter your, do you want to continue? Okay. Yes. Enter your option. We should select the option. Enter your option, paper. Ahmed has selected paper, computer has selected rock. Ahmed win because paper can. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your options. Let's say we select the scissors now. Scissors. Ahmed has selected scissors. Computer has selected rock. Ahmed lose. Why? Because rock can crush the scissors. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your option. Let's say we select rock this time. Ahmed selects rocks. Ahmed has selected rock. Computer has selected rock. When there is rock situation, it's a tie. Do you want to continue? Yes. Again, we want to select, Ahmed wants to select rock. Okay. Do you want to continue? No. End of program. So we have created this program, this game, paper, scissors, and rock, and this program works fine. And we have checked all the options, and this program works well. So in the next, in the coming classes, we'll make some more new projects, and we'll make some more games. For now, that's all for today. See you later. That's it.